no, 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 no. I already know what this box is. What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji, and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. It's been a minute since I did a mystery box, and in the past, I've done beater boxes, but this is my first banger box, and this box is coming to you from Soul Steals, as usual, and I dropped 10K on this box. I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I just want to get right into it. I don't want to talk too much, guys. Wish me luck. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna reach back. I don't want to look what's in it. So let me just cut it open really quick. I got my phone out to maybe check some prices as I'm doing it. All right, guys, I got it open. Let me just reach back here and see what's in this thing. It's not that big of a box, and I'm not feeling any loose shoes. And it's actually like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 4 pairs of shoes, guys, and it's all like horizontally laid out. That's for 10K for 4 pairs or 5 pairs, whatever it is. That's insane. But this first box, you guys, it already looks like a PE box, because I got a PE right here, you guys, and it looks like a Jordan 3 PE. It's got a sample label right here. Royal white, black, fire red. Oh man, oh, I just saw the label. Okay, all right, guys, another one. Another one. We got the We The Best. I think it's the father of Assad, the DJ Khaled's, you guys. The Jordan 3s. I think this one's got the We The Best on the back. Here it is right there. The DJ Khaled We The Best 3s. These are actually pretty insane. I don't know what these are fetching. Let me just check really quick, because that's insane. I know this pair alone can go for like 5 to 10K, and the box was 10K. So let me just check really quick, you guys. This is the suede one. So yeah, I was right. Father of Assad. No way. Sell 11 and a half. Someone's asking. I can sell now for 3,400. This pair right here. So 33.41. Or I can buy it for 9,500. That's what the current ask is for 11 and a half for this shoe. This shoe, the current ask is 9,500 for this shoe. And it's only one shoe. All right, guys, let me move on to the next one. It's got the laces, it's brand new. This is insane. Yeah, yeah. It's still got the shoe trees inside. The box isn't damaged, but here's just a little up close. I'll do some B-roll as well, but these are insane. Still got the hang tag on it. Yeah, that's a crazy first pair, you guys. All right, next one. These are all gonna be insane because it's only 4 pairs. So this next one is a black box, and I'm not familiar with black boxes, especially, it's another sample, bro. It's another sample. It's a Jordan 6 promo. What is this, man? Yeah, I don't know about these. I don't even know about these. Oh, okay. This is the Howard University Jordan 6 PE, you guys. Check it out right here. It's got gold lace locks right there. They look brand new, dead stock. It's another PE. Bro, these are all like crazy. Here's the Howard University on the back. And the hang tag is probably in here somewhere. Yep, here's the hang tag. It's got a gold hang tag right there. That's pretty fire. Let me check the price on these really quick, because these are also, I don't even know what the price is on them. And that's pretty crazy. All right, guys, so real quick, I looked up these shoes on StockX, couldn't find them. Looked them up on GOAT, couldn't find them. My buddy looked them up on eBay, and they're going for like 5 to 7 grand. These are insane, super rare Howard University PEs. They came out last year in very limited quantities. So far, Jordan 3s, DJ Khaled's, Jordan 6, Howard Universities. I have a feeling the next two are gonna be also PEs. So let's just get into the next box, you guys, and see what we got. This one, it feels like it's kind of damaged, but let me get it out real quick. I'm not gonna look at the, no, 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 no. I already know what this box is. This is a Nike, I think, Air Yeezy box. I've never had Air Yeezys before. I could be completely wrong. It could be a replacement box. I don't want to look at the label because I looked at the label on the last ones. But let me just see what these are real quick. Yeah, these are the, wow. Are these new? No way, bro. No way, bro. I think these are the Zens. I forget what these are called, bro. Whoa, bro. Bro. The Nike Air Yeezy, they're brand new, like amazing condition. Like, I don't even know. Like, I don't see any paint chipping on the midsole. The suede looks good. The leather looks good. Like, maybe just a little bit of a fading right here from sitting in the box. But wow. Wow. Let me, oh my goodness, you guys. I gotta look these up really quick and see what they're going for. So they're not the Zens, sorry. They're the Net Tans. Buy now, size 12. 15K? That's not real, bro. 15K. I'm gonna screenshot this and show you guys. Let me see what the sell now is for a 12. It's only 1,600. So yeah, it just depends on what people are willing to pay for this. But right now, like if you actually just wanted to get on StockX and buy these, someone's asking an outrageous amount, which is, like I said, 15K. Last sale was 3,200. But yeah, I mean, still, it's worth 3 to 5 grand, I'd say. Another crazy pair. Wow. My first pair of Air Yeezys, guys. So far, this is wild, and I don't even know what to expect with this last shoe. But let's just pull it out and see what it is. Last shoe of this 10K mystery box. Yep. Throw that off to the side. And this looks like oh, I think these just came out. I recognize the box. And I think it's a Travis Scott golf shoe, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's actually the reverse mochas. It's not the golf. Let's see here. This is a size 12. And let's see what these are going for real quick. Travis reverse. I actually hit on these for retail when they came out, which was the biggest retail hit I ever had. Sell size 12. $976. If you wanted to buy them, you'd be paying like $11.57. So around $1,000, $1,200 for these. But oh, I don't even know what to say, man. I think the value is definitely here. I'm gonna have to do some B-roll with these, but you know, check out these Travis mochas right here, you guys. You've seen these before. Pretty fire shoes, but all around the same size. We got 12 Air Yeezys, 12 mochas. Reverse mochas, 12.5 Air Jordan 6 Howard Universities, and an 11.5 We The Best Khaled. I plan on consistently uploading again, you guys, hopefully at least once a week. I'm gonna do some basketball shoes, I'm gonna do some sneaker boxes, I'm gonna do whatever I can get my hands on. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it's gonna help me in the long run. And stay tuned because I got a giveaway coming, and smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. It means the world. I've been kind of on a hiatus. I moved and just been really busy with family. So yeah, you guys take care, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.